In this tutorial today, we shall be learning how to install new fonts into Microsoft Word. It is free and very easy Microsoft Word installation. First, open your browser. I am using Chrome browser, but you can use any browser that you have. Type in the name thefont.com. thefont.com. There are many sites online where you can download fonts. I think Microsoft prefer thefont.com. We have different selections up here. We have themes, selection by themes, selection by authors, by forums, new font, top font, or you can submit a font. When we come here, we have recent fonts. As we scroll down, we can see all the new fonts. Click on any one you prefer. In this tutorial, I will click on top. I wait for it to load. So top font download has opened up. I scroll to select the font that I want to download. So let's say I love Rosalie. I click on download. So Rosalie has downloaded. When we come up here, you see that they have different languages you can use in this website. We have English, French, Espanol, Dutch, Italiano, and Portuguese. So it depends on what is your language. You can easily make use of this website. And as you can notice, I did not log in. I did not even register in this website. So having opened the folder where I downloaded the fonts, I double click on this first one that says Rosalie. As it opens up, it's a zip folder. I will click on the one that says Rosalie OTF. So this will open up and show how the font will be when you use it in Microsoft Word. So I click on install. It's installing now. It has finished installation. I open Microsoft Word, go to font and search for Rosalie. You will notice that it has appeared within the font. I click enter. So anything I type now, we have Rosalie as the font. So this is the font Rosalie. I highlight it. You can bold the font. You can use italic. You can change the color. You can increase or decrease the font. So I hope you get some value from this short tutorial. If you did, please give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, click the bell icon so YouTube will notify you once I drop a new video. Do share this video with family and friends. Have a great day.